Hi guys, welcome to my Procreate tutorial. Today we are going to go through a gradient fill tutorial on hand lettering or text lettering. So to start off with, you want to load up a blank canvas in Procreate and then go to the spanner setting and click on add text. Next you just want to tap the word text and then type your word. So in this we're going to type rainbow. Next you're just going to double tap and you're going to change the font from the default. You're going to scroll up to chalkboard SE and then just change the size, and then or you can just make a scribble wherever you want. And we're just going to go double check it's on a new layer and then go to the selection tool and then resize to suit your canvas and move it to wherever you want. So it's going to unselect that and click on the layers. We're going to remove layer 1 as we don't need it. Click on the plus and add layer 2. Next we're going to go to our colour palette wheel and we're going to click on the first colour in our colour palette and we're just going to scribble wherever we want that colour. Make sure we brush it at 100%. Next, go to the next colour in the colour palette and then do the same, scribble wherever you want that colour, and then so on for the next few colours. Now you want to click on the layers, select layer 2 and then click on clipping mask. This will then let you see, you want to click on clipping mask and then this should put your rainbow effect on top of your lettering.